What's up guys, I'm here back playing Subway Surfers. This video is sponsored by Trap Trip. So now let's play. I'm actually an Indian, wearing Indian t-shirt, but I don't know where the trip was from. Now let's play. Oh no, I gotta escape this police. Wow, this is cool. Let's fly up. Whoa, yeah, a magnet. He jumped from so high. What is it? Dash. Wow. Very good, dash. Let's go. Let's get full word hunt. Let's see if we get full word hunt. Oh. See my high score right there? So much. Hey, see my high score? It is 2 million. No. It is 20 lakhs. No, it's 2 lakh 39,000. No, wait. 2 lakh 2,000. Wait, that's not my high score. Oh, I got S. That's not my high score. Let's try if I can beat that. That's a lot of numbers. Let's pick some coins. Right now I'm at 257 coins. Yeah, I'm at 1,95,000 coins. 1,94. White Hunt complete, 1,050 coins. Let's go. Whoa! Oh! Oh, I jumped too early. That's fine, let's play once more. What is there? Get results. Whoa, he did a split. What we got? Bronze? That's fine, not bad. Oh, let's play. That painting was nice of Subway Surfers. Well, this is very cool game. Actually, I'm going to be uploading every day one video. Yeah, my exams are going on, so I think I'll be uploading one video in 4 days. See my boat? That's an ice boat. Actually bought it. Wow, it's like hoverboarding. Wow. Wow, that was. Think that hoverboard was in real life. It would be so cool. I guess what is in the box? Oh, that was safe. I missed a lot of coins, but not bad. See, that's my high score, 19,000. Right now I'm at 11,000. So before I end up my video, whoa, collect 5,000 points. So before I end up my video, you guys write in the comments that what is your highest score in Subway Surfers. Let's just see what is your high score. And before I end up, I'm gonna tell you guys something. I actually got sponsored by Trap Drip. So, oh no. So guys, I actually got sponsored by Trap Drip. So before I end up my video, you guys go hit my subscribe button and hit Trap Drip's subscribe button too. Oh, I gotta collect more. 111, 111. I actually didn't play Subway Surfers for a long time. Let's change my skin. Dino. Let's go. Dino. My last video I didn't get sponsored, but you see Subway Surfers 1 by Pro Gamer in the comments, go to newest ones, and I got sponsored that. It was written, oh, score 4,000 points without collecting coins. That's gonna be a lot of coins. I gotta miss all the coins? No, I don't wanna miss coins. Let's go see my top 124. Now I'm at 6,000, 6,000, 7,000. Actually, I'm not going to be making a lot of video because I have one very hard exam. So, see that shoes, how is he jumping? Down, 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 down. So I made many videos of cars, of Alpha. So see that too. Oh, Candy Crush. What is that? Candy Crush? I'll make a video of that too. Candy Crush. I'll try to make a video of Fortnite. Right now my Wi-Fi is not so good. We have some Wi-Fi problems, so whenever I play Fortnite I glitch. So I'll tell my father to put a good Wi-Fi and then I'll make videos of Fortnite. And right now my channel's name has changed. It's become Gamer Studio. It was Pro Gamer, now it became Gamer Studio. And you see my logo too, it's so good. I'm trying to make merchants of my logo, but I'm not getting a where to make it. That may be costing money, merchants. So I thought I'll not make merchants. When I get this YouTube silver button, I'll start making. Whoa, that was a save, you saw? I jumped over that. Oh, I beat my score. Who's that two bros? Oh, that's 9,000. I gotta beat her. Let's see, can I beat her? I took my board as now it's very fast. I actually have some risk when I reach. I'm at 37,000 right now. Whenever you guys reach more than 50,000, take out your hoverboard. It's very dangerous. I think I gotta end up my video right here because I may get hit by a train or... Oh, I beat it. Who's that one? Oh, that was a save. See that police, he's running too fast. I think I gotta end up my video. Let's see. Yes, I beat it. Let's beat this guy too. I beated him. Beta, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा. What? तुमसे ना हो पाएगा? What? I'll try to beat you. I'll try. As he's 9,000, it might be tough. I'm at 55,000 right now. See how fast I'm playing so fast. Whoa. Oh my god, that was a save. Oh no. Oh. So guys, I'm gonna end up my video right here. So guys, thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye. Let's see in the box what is there. 1,000 coins, yes. So thanks for watching and see you guys next time. Bye.